Hello everyone from Kutaisi. We are in Kutaisi right now. Kutaisi is one of the cities in Georgia, and today Georgi is with me, my friend. Yeah, it suits you. Now there are so many flights from Europe to Kutaisi. For example, we just flew from Hamburg to here for very good price. Like, you can find tickets for 20-30 euro, and I think it's worth it. We saw here like cable car. It goes up to the hills. We are going to check it. We don't have too much time, only 2 hours. We will check around if you like it. Yeah, the buildings are like quite old here. So the cable car costs for the Georgians only 1 lari, and for the others 3 lari. It's quite cheap. Like 1 lari is around 30 cents, 3 lari is around like 1 euro. But no one is here.
No one.
Maybe here upstairs. Let's check. Oh, one is left. Do you think is it safe?
I don't know, bro.
The door is not closed. Ah, yeah. You sold it, yeah. Now it looks safe. Okay, it didn't move. Now Georgi is going to ask what should we do. Can we see the church right now? Yeah. Yeah, this is the one of the oldest church in Kutaisi. It's around 1,000 years old. Whoops.
Lari, 1 lari.
Yes, this is 1 lari.
It's 20.
This is 20 what?
Petri.
20 tetri.
For in the German cent, but here
Yeah.
Petri.
Okay, we just arrived here, like small gaming area. I don't know.
Small April.
Small April. Yeah. I think there are some cafes, but I think they are going to close it soon, so no one is here. Now we came now in a special restaurant.
Looks like it's Turkish kebab.
Yeah, it looks like.
But not. It's different. Something different.
Okay, let's try. What's this?
This is Georgian.
Georgian, like Fanta or something?
Lemon. We say lemon.
Lemon. Okay, it's a bit different. But the bread is also very tasty. I really like the bread. What's the name of it?
Pikentia sakabab.
Like it comes from kebab? Sakapa?
Sakabab.
We took 2 plates and 2 drinks and like very big of bread. We paid
24 lari and
24, like around 8 euro.
yeah.
So now we arrived Kutaisi airport rail station. Now we will take the train to Tbilisi directly. Unfortunately, we couldn't have too much time in Kutaisi, so we just discovered the city 2 hours very quickly. Now we are heading towards to Tbilisi, and we will stay there around 2-3 days, and then we will go to mountains, let's see how is it going to be. Now we enjoy our ice creams. This is with tiramisu, this is with banana. And now we are in the where we are right now.
Veselice. Süt Veselice. Center.
Like a old town.
Yes.
So we are just walking in the old town. There are also many street cats. Yeah, the weather is perfect for walking. There are some Scottish people also here because there is a football match today between like Scotland and Georgia, and we will be also there. Yeah. Let's see who is going to win. I'm also excited. Yeah, of course we support Georgia. We support Georgia. There's the church.
I don't remember this church name, but this church name.
It's a castle.
Yeah, this is
Castle.
castle. Yeah, and name Narikala.
Narikala.
Yeah.
Look at the clock. I really like it. And who is this guy with the horse?
This is the Bahtan Gorgasali. Very famous king of Georgia.
Famous Georgian king?
Yeah, famous Georgian. This guy made Tbilisi.
And this is the river of Tbilisi. What's the name of it?
Quarry.
Quarry River. So, and this bridge is the Peace, like Bridge of the Peace, right? It's one of the famous points in Tbilisi. Right, it looks very nice. I really got those cars. The city too.
I have this. I will
And with this balloon, if you want, you can go up or.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me, maybe go train.
It's a techno train. Now we are ready to go to uphill. And we will take a cable car.
Arabası var,
Güzel mi güzel?
şoförü de var. O zaman bas bir gaza, gider mi gider? Amanın şansı yok, amanın şansı yok. 10 numara bası var, güzel mi güzel? Şoförü de var, o zaman bas bir gaza, gider mi gider? Amanın şansı yok, amanın.
Marlova, Marlova. Istanbul. Bye. Ah, great, great. Now I feel high. Now I feel high, you know. That's Oh, look at the view. Wow. So right now we are in front of the mother of Georgia. What was the name in Georgian? Kartlisteda. Here is the statue. It was erected in 1958. It was the 1500th anniversary of Georgia. That's why they just created this statue here. In the right hand there's a sword, and in the left hand there's a cup of wine, and this is one of the most important symbols of Georgia. And you can see the whole city from here around. Definitely recommended. So if you want to come here, you can just take the cable car from here, as we did, and you can climb the hill. And here is a very nice touristic street. You can also eat something, drink something, buy souvenirs. And here is the mother of Georgia. So, and very nice view from out here. So hello everyone, now we are in the special traditional Georgian restaurant. So I have also many friends here, actually the friends of Georgi. So I'm going to present you some Georgian traditional food. The first one is
Hinkali.
Hinkali. It's sometimes very difficult to pronounce it. So maybe she can show us like how to eat it, what is inside. So she can talk about a little bit.
It's traditional Georgian food. You should eat it only with hands. Only with hands, yes. You should hold like this and bite a little. And inside of the hinkali is like meat and some juice, and you should like drink the juice first of all.
Oh, nice one.
Yes, and then just eat normally.
Yes, normally. Yeah.
Not like this.
Okay, very good one. And we have also here hachapuri.
There is inside there is cheese, and yeah, you have to fry it by hands. To eat by
Again,
hands,
like
not-
pizza actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, with emotion. So, yeah, and this is, yeah.
Eating?
This is
We are-
really fire. Like
We
you
are,
gonna.
we are saying Gabi Marjos.
Okay, this is the traditional drink. So, Prost, Gami Garjos. So, Gagi Marjos.
And
Yeah, good one. Good one. Let's try right now.
This is
it's hot, right?
This is
It's
actually this is
like
okay. This is
melon,
with aroma. Yeah, melon aroma.
yeah.
Yeah, I saw
Strong. It's one of the strongest.
No,
wines.
it's not strong.
Yeah.
the. Yeah, you see here some Georgian conflicts. And this is.
It's body.
This is blood in kebab. Kebab. Döner kebab.
Okay, this is nice.
Ah, yes. No problem. Red one.
Yeah. No, this is another. This is satsabo. This is made
tomato.
by tomato.
Maitse
Only for
egg
tomato.
organlarda ეს გავასწრებთ.
Oh yeah, like Kemal, try this. This is better.
This is international. Yes, take this. This one. Საყვარელი საფლავ სვეძებდი ვერ ვნახე და გარაგულიყო გულა მოსკვნილი ვტიროდი სადა ხარა ჩემო სულიკო გულა მოსკვნილი ვტიროდი სადა ხარა ჩემო სულიკო ეკალში ვარადი შევნიშნე ობლად რომ მოსულიყო გულის ფანსკალით ვითხავდი შენ ხომ არა ხარ სულიკო გულის ფანსკალით ვკითხავდი შენ ხომ არა ხარ სულიკო
Bravo!
პირველ ხმას იმღერებს მეთქი და არ იმღერე